Hello, how are you today? This is Bong Soo-jung, Korean labor attorney. Today I'd like to talk about Anti-Corruption Act in Korea. It was introduced 2015 and implemented in September 2016. So why it was introduced was according to survey in 2015, Korea was relatively corrupted by the public opinion. Also in International Corruption Index, Korea was ranked about the relatively the corrupted country. In 37 OECD member countries, Korea ranked 27. That means Korea was relatively corrupted country. So it was shocking. At the time, we had the criminal law for any bribe or some basic ethic law for public workers, but that was not enough to restrict or penalize those who violate this law. So chief of anti-corruption commission Kim Young-nan suggested this anti-corruption law. So we like to use Kim Young-nam Act because we use the name of the chief of anti-corruption commission. So why it's important in this anti-corruption act now is there is a joint panel the provisions when employee bribed government employee, also some their workers are related in this bribe case or this corruption case. Employer is also in charge or responsible for, because benefit is come to the company. That means a company should be responsible. So this law provides joint panel provisions. So employers should keep training in advance to avoid such a kind of corruption. So also they have to train their workers. That is a way to they can avoid any the panel or responsibility later if it really happened to their co-workers. So the scope of this law, this application is it used to be a government employee and public companies workers, but this law includes additional jobs, something like reporters in working in mass media, also the private teachers or public teachers or university professors. Korean education system, they are relatively corrupted, so it was accepted normal, paying special tip, the envelope with the money. So when student parents want to meet the children's parents, usually parents prepare the cash gift. But after this law, it was not possible anymore. In this Anti-Corruption Act has two different parts. One is it regulates the improper the solicitation. Also, second one is paying a special cash gift or related the gift. So first one is improper solicitation. Is that in order to get some benefit in decision making process, they use the superior position or they influence the government workers, even reporters or teachers and professors. Then it can be a kind of improper solicitation. Also the financial benefit or some advantages, providing such a one is not allowed. So for example, some cash gift or some equivalent of like gift equivalent to the such amount of money. So 1 million won amount of money, like in any case the government employee or related people received that amount of money, then they'll be punished by this act. Even though the money less than 1 million won, if the money is related with some expectation or some like payback from this money, then it can be a corrupt. It can, maybe those people related will be punished. So exception is a small gift like up to 50,000 won. Such a gift is regarded as like good relation. Also some treating meal or some drinking is one per person. It is accepted up to 30,000 won. Or the funeral and congratulatory cases, some cash gift can be accepted up to 100,000 won. So they are exceptional. So in conclusion, to not violate this anti-corruption law, so employer should remember there is a joint panel provision. When employee neglect to train their workers, then their managers or co-workers some violate this law, then company will be punished together with their workers. So that is why I try to give this training. Okay, this is all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.